Analogizing is a yellow clarification card, great at framing a familiar topic and allowing you to discuss it in new ways. Here's how it works. To facilitate analogizing, pair people up and make sure that they have a piece of paper and a pen, or if you're facilitating online, they can use chat instead if they prefer. Each pair will be tasked with coming up and detailing an analogy on a particular topic. Instruct them to list the options for the analogy before they pick one and get into the details. Then, when they're ready, move them into finding all of those connections between their topic and their analogy. For example, leadership is like which kitchen implement. In this case, have pairs list kitchen implements before picking one and then detailing all of the ways leadership is like that implement. The reason that we love analogies is that there is inherent creativity in connecting two unlike things, and that makes for really fruitful discussions. When participants find those unexpected discoveries, they create little moments of joy and bring new energy to familiar conversations.